a nice Spanish paella. Fit people always crave for a tasty food, but not anymore, because I'm going to show you brown rice and prawns paella so that you can enjoy this delicacy with this modified recipe. To make paella, 8 to 10 prawns, 1 chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 small red bell pepper, half onion, 1 tomato, parsley sprig for garnishing, 1 cup brown rice, lime, some celery stalks. If you do not have celery, that is also fine, and a pinch of a saffron. Before we start recipe, we are going to wash rice 2 times so that all the physical dirt and all the starch which rice has, it will go away. I am going to soak this rice for 20 to 30 minutes. Start cooking paella with addition of olive oil. First thing which goes in is a teaspoon of garlic, followed by onions, we are going to saute it for a minute. In any European style cooking, we don't over saute it till it becomes brown. It's just enough to become a translucent. We are going to add bell peppers and tomatina. Well, in the original recipe, paella has a lot of seafood and meats in it, especially chorizo, Spanish chorizo, chicken, seafood. But for us, we are going to add only chicken and prawns for this recipe. So I have added chicken into this stage. I am going to add a little bit of salt, so I'm going to add hot water. So when you're making rice by absorption method, always add twice quantity of water compared to your rice. So I have taken 1 cup of rice. I'm going to add 2 cups of hot water. Now I'm going to add saffron to this. One of the world best saffron is in Spain, followed by Iraq and Kashmir. So now I'm going to add brown rice to my stock, which has been already soaked for 20 to 30 minutes. We are going to cook this rice on a high flame for almost about 3 minutes. You can check your taste of your stock for salt, and you may adjust as per your salt level. I'm going to add a little bit of more salt into this. So once your water starts boiling, I'm going to add prawns to my paella. As I said, paella is a nice rice preparation from Spain which has a lot of seafood flavor plus a meaty flavor coming from chorizo, and a mix of seafood which can be squids, which can be cuttlefish and prawns. You can keep prawns on the shell as well. This I'm going to add some parsley sprig. Please remember, do not disturb the rice while it's cooking. Next step is I'm going to cover this and cook for 9 more minutes. Remember, 9 more minutes on a medium flame. So after 9 minutes, our paya is ready. I'm just going to add some of the lemon slices on top, some of the chopped parsley, and your paya is ready.